Welcome back.
The Toyota Prius XW60 is the latest evolution of the world's most famous hybrid car. With a sleek aerodynamic design and a sportier look than ever, the new Prius is built for both efficiency and style. Under the hood, it features an advanced hybrid powertrain combining a fuel-efficient gasoline engine with an electric motor delivering both power and incredible fuel economy. Inside the cabin, the Prius XW60 offers a futuristic experience with a large touchscreen display digital instrument cluster and premium materials. The redesigned seats provide extra comfort while ambient lighting creates a high-tech atmosphere. One of the biggest highlights is its improved performance. The Prius XW60 accelerates faster and handles better thanks to Toyota's new TNGA platform. With multiple drive modes including an EV mode for short all-electric drives, this hybrid adapts to your needs. Whether you're looking for fuel savings, cutting-edge technology, or a stylish ride, the new Prius XW60 delivers on all fronts. Is this the best Prius yet? Let us know what you think in the comments.